My Label's LED finger flashlight gloves may come in handy when you need a flashlight in the dark, but need to use both hands for the task, such as working with cables or cars, or even for fishing. Each glove contains 2 LED lights, which allow you to point at whatever you are working on at the moment. It is made out of cotton, which is breathable and stretchy, and it contains a Velcro to easily adjust the glove to your wrist, allowing it to fit most hand sizes. It is easy to use since there is an on-off switch and you don't require to hold a flashlight. The product already includes a screwdriver and a battery that lasts for 30 hours and can be replaced.